Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to revolutionize how you track your most important items. What truly sets these tiny trackers apart is Apple's incredible precision-finding technology, powered by ultra-wideband. Imagine seeing an exact arrow on your iPhone screen, guiding you directly to your misplaced item, whether it's under the couch or in another room. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just one tap with your iPhone and you're connected, ready to track. And don't worry about spills or dusty environments. With IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTag can handle everyday adventures. Beyond direct tracking, the AirTag leverages the massive global Find My network, meaning billions of Apple devices can help locate your lost item, even if it's far away. For anyone looking for the best Bluetooth tracker to safeguard their valuables, this Apple accessory is an absolute game changer. If you're ready to finally end the stress of searching for lost items, you can grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack from the Amazon link in the description. It's a small investment for massive peace of mind, making it one of the smartest electronics gadgets you can buy in 2025. Seriously, for unparalleled tracking precision and seamless integration, the Apple AirTag is our top recommendation for anyone wanting to keep track of what matters most.